Hello everyone, welcome to GV Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to the channel, enable notification for future ongoing videos. I have started one more series, Selenium interview questions, how to explain and with real-time practical example, theory and real-time practical example. Right, we will get multiple times this question. What is the difference between get and navigate? It looks like a simple only, but we will get confused about it. Difference between get and navigate methods. Right, we will see with the practical so that you will understand. Okay, quickly we will create one test case. Just I have configured already Maven project. I have added dependencies Selenium and TestNG basic dependencies. Okay, public void verify get and navigate methods. Okay, fine. Now first thing is what we have to create the driver object. We have to create the driver instance WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, in Selenium 4 we don't require to set a system property to download the driver. It will automatically take care of it. Selenium 4 introduced a Selenium manager. It will take care automatically. We don't need to add a WebDriver manager or system properties. Okay, now fine. If you want to open any URL, driver.get. Right, this get method is coming from WebDriver interface. Right. If you see, get method is coming from the WebDriver interface. Load a new web page in the current browser window. This is done using HTTP post operation, and this method will block until load is complete with the default page load strategy. Right, until the page load, it will wait. So next one is, it is coming from the WebDriver interface. Right. Next one is navigate. How we will get a driver.navigate? We have to call the navigate method so that it will return the navigation interface. Object of navigation. Okay. Object of navigation. Okay, just object of the navigation interface. If we go to the navigation interface, see what we will have here. If you want to navigate in the browser, forward direction, backward direction, if you want to move, navigate method will provide a methods to move in the browser in the history. In the history you want to move the backward or forward, then open the URL. Here there are two flavors of the two methods. One is the directly you can give the URL or URL object. Two flavors. And a refresh method. These are the navigation method will provide. Two method. Now two method will come from navigation interface. Right. Navigation, right? In driver we don't have two method. Only in the navigation interface we will have a two method. Suppose if you go to control and click two method, what it will say, loads the new web page in the current browser window. This is done by post. This method also see blocks until the page load. Some people will say it will not wait until the page load. Both will wait as per the, this is the Selenium documentation. If you say this method will block until the load complete, this will follow redirection issued by either by the server or meta redirect from within the edge. So both will wait, get and post. One more thing I want to show. If you see the implementation is available in the remote navigation class. So here see inside two method, again it is calling get method. Inside two method it is calling get. So if you open the get, what is the say open implementation. Sorry. So get method, it is coming from the remote WebDriver. It is overridden from the WebDriver only. It is overridden from the WebDriver. So same features we will get it. Same features we will get whatever WebDriver will provide. So mostly there is loading wise there is no difference between get and two methods. So get method will come from the WebDriver. It will wait until the page load. And then to method is coming from the navigation interface. Now it will also additionally what it will provide, it will provide the navigation dot if you want to move in the history, right? A navigation object. What it is showing as a navigation. 1 second. Where driver.navigate is creating a navigation object, returns. See, spelling mistake. So we must be very careful. Sometimes we will do simple mistakes, but it will take so it will have a backward method to move to the in the history. If you want to, if you mouse over, you can also see, we can see the move back single items in the browser history. So we no need to dependent on any, right, Google search or AI search. So if you see documentation of these methods, we will understand easily. So it is the trusted one. So this is provided by Selenium people. So we no need to search in the Google or somewhere else. Right, then we are make sure, okay, what we are telling in the interview is correct. If he is saying something wrong, definitely, right, this is provided by documentation. I have read from the documentation provided by Selenium. If he asks where you read documentation in the Selenium code itself, they have opened. I have opened the Selenium code and seen documentation of that method. So we can confidently tell that. Right, to method navigation dot to method. We can give to method is in two flavors. We can provide either URL or just let me take our famous website Orange HRM login page. Okay. And forward, backward, what else we can do with the navigation? Additional features we have, we can in the browser history we can go back and forward and then also refresh it. Okay, just quickly if you run it, right click and run as test-ng test. Okay, we'll see. Okay, these are the difference between get and to. What are the differences? Get is from the WebDriver interface, to is from the navigation. Get and to both will wait until the page load. See, navigation will provide additional features to move backward, forward in the history, and also we can do refresh, driver.navigation.refresh. These are the differences between get and navigation.